Hello guys, it's me at school. Stop. This is my classmate. Uy, but this is my school.
We're both 9 years old.
Oh, yeah. Tapos, I'm doing math, but I'm done.
Yeah, we're almost done. So it doesn't finish the last part.
Yeah.
She thinks it's so hard, but it's easy.
Yeah, I know.
You can't even know what's 9 times 9 is. Not a big deal.
Yes.
How patient mo guys?
Big.